going on, guys? Blaze Rocks here, and the reason why we're wearing coats is because we're actually doing the airsoft challenge. This gun is no joke. I've seen a lot of people do airsoft stuff, but this would, seriously, I've actually modded it, so if you shoot this, I'm not even joking, you'll probably be bleeding, and it hurts a damn lot. So we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna be bleeding? It's no joke, you seriously. Like, I've got a coat on, but it still hurts. I've got a coat and a jacket because this gun is no joke. Literally, it's got recoil and everything.
Let's just start now.
So we're gonna do a 1v1, and basically
every
time we die,
basically,
yeah. Every time we die, we're gonna shoot whoever dies. We're using the crappy preset classes, and it's not really fair for me because the iPad's like right in front of my gun, so I can't even see my gun. So,
force is authorized.
Oh, there's no map as well. Oh well, there's the time.
Oh, there you go, man.
Oh shit!
You hate me right now.
That freaking hurt. Oh, I can still feel it. Literally, it's no joke. Like, I've had about 5 airsoft guns, and this is like double. Second. I don't even know why I'm. Come on, that's the most noobiest class in the world.
No! No! Ah! Yeah.
I love this gun to bits.
Ow! That actually hurt.
Literally, you'll shoot eggs and then you'll see all the yolk come out. It's insane.
Ah, that
I
hurt.
need to change gun. I don't want to run out. I don't want to get killed. Oh. God, I'm getting warm in this. Good shot.
Nah. Ah, it feels fine.
You're in a proper baggy coat as well.
Nah, but I still feel it, man.
I know. Oh, come on, dude. LMG spraying.
Ow, that hurt. Ow, that generally what? Okay, nah, it's bleeding. I think it's bleeding. I can
not be bleeding. But it will be freaking.
Nah, no, I'm not. No, no, I'm not taking it.
It's the rules.
I'm not.
What? I'm shooting at a different place.
This arm.
Yeah.
Ah! You.
Quick, dude! I'm gonna kill you. Oh. Right, at least you're not using the LMG.
I can't feel my arm. I need to go to hospital. Nah, I need to go to hospital.
I'll let you get away with that one.
Give me time to recover.
Let you get away with
Give me more time to recover.
that. Right? Oh!
Now it's your turn!
Oh, right. I don't know where to shoot it.
Oh, we're gonna have such short arms on Monday.
Oh, that was close. Oh. Oh, what?
Go on, dude.
Right on. The right place to shoot. Oh, that one hurt. Oh, seriously.
Skill wins.
Next kill wins. Well, guys, that pretty much sums it up. Well, one there, one there, one there. Oh god, look at that one. One there, one there, one there.
One there.
It's gone through our skin.
There. Right there.
Can't even see it.
Can you see
What's
it?
that?
Can you see that?
Can't see it. It's not really that bad when you got all coats and stuff, but it still freaking hurts.
You